Channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today I have my Jeffree Star mini mystery box. I did order 2 premium, which is the middle one, and 1 mini to get free shipping because I don't want to pay shipping. And this one just arrived. If you've missed the other video, I put it up yesterday, so I'll throw it up in the cards for you. But yeah, I haven't watched anybody open any of their boxes really. One person I watched open their deluxe, that's it. And I saw a picture of the premium before I got mine, or one of the premiums. So yeah, so I haven't seen what's in here. It's supposed to be, I think, 3 products, so let's hope for something good. Hoping for a good lippy that'll kind of match my look. If we can. I got scissors because it's got but I guess that answered my question, that if I'd only ordered one, it would have just came in this box. My premiums are sent in a big old pink box, which is kind of awesome, but still, it's sent in a big old box, so. Okay. I'm still nothing. Apparently I need to, like, maybe on the sides or something. Okay. Maybe that'll work. So, okay, lift up. Lift it, I call it lift it. Alright, so it's wrapped in green tissue paper. You know, if you had green tissue paper, if you've never seen pink, or I think I've seen the orange creamsicle one. We have that collection. So, okay, that's what it looks like. Cool. Got a pop socket again. I do have 2 other one of these orange ones, so I might put that one up somewhere. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, okay. I got 2 Velour liquid lipsticks. Okay, I'll let you know why I'm super, super excited. Okay, first one is Diamond. I don't think I have this one. If it's that color, I don't have it. I have another color. Oh no, I do have this color. Okay, I have this color. I think I traded it for someone for this color. I think I traded Deanne for this color. So I actually have this color, so yeah, I don't know what I'm like doing that. I might keep it, like keep one to be able to put on my lips and then one to be able to put on my eyes and face or something, or because I really don't know many people who would actually wear that color too often. But I do have that color, so it doesn't match this. Like, this is a silver, it doesn't match that, but I do have that color, so I'm not going to open it because I know I have that color. It's a very specific color, so I know I got it. But this one, I do not. I'm super excited. I love my reds. Y'all know what I think about reds. I will rock 24/7. My fun, adventurous colors are usually the one I rock on video. Unless they're like dark purple or blues. Those or even greens. I'll rock those in the wintertime. I don't care if they're like dark enough. And then the corals and strawberries and stuff I'll rock whenever I want to. But anyway, so I got red rum, which is awesome. I don't believe I have that. Let me make sure it's not like in this collection. This collection was for like my eye specifically. Okay, I do have red rum, but I haven't even tried any of these because I meant them for like eyeliners and to draw on my face for Halloween. So I do have red rum, but I haven't tried it, and I don't have it like where I would just use it as a lipstick, you know what I'm saying? Or I can use it as a lipstick or draw on my face, I suppose. So in all, it was $20 for 2 lippies, so it's basically $10 lipstick, and then you get the pop socket too, so less than 10. I don't know how much you actually value his pop sockets at, but that's a scent hit. Such a pretty red. Like, true blood red, or even cherry red, like a dark cherry, you know, darker than the maraschino. Love that. I love red. It goes with my eyeshadow, which is coincidentally the mini jawbreaker, so, or mini breaker, whatever he calls it, palette today. So yeah, it was a good one. I mean, if I hadn't traded for a diamond like last time, that'd be cool. But yeah, I do have a diamond in good size. I might just keep that for lip wear and the other one for face, or I might try to find somebody who wants diamond. But I'm disappointed in getting that color. You know, if I hadn't already traded for it, I'd be really excited for it. But red rum, I'm with it, because the other ones I was saving more for my face for Halloween, but now I got one that's specifically just for lip, which is good, because you know, you don't want, you know, your saliva up in your eyeball if that happens or something like that. So I think it's good. And the pop socket, you know, is cool. I'll probably actually give the pop socket to my niece, and because then I'll have 2 backups. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.